There are many variations of Pallof-press, and in this video we're going to cover the version with the band. So for a setup, you're going to just grab the band in one hand, interlock the fingers, bring the hands to the chest. Then you're just going to step away from the attachment point, so it's going to create a little bit of tension on the band. Your stance is going to be shoulder width apart, legs slightly bent. Then you're going to set your pelvis neutral. This is one of the common mistakes what I see. So again, you're not going to be in the rounded or arched, somewhere in the middle. You're going to engage your core, keep your ribs down, and then from that position, while keeping the shoulders nice and down, you're going to just push your hands away from your body. That's going to create a little bit of extra tension, and it's going to force the body into the rotation. Your main goal is to resist that motion. So again, don't let your body to turn around. And again, like, you can just keep breathing in and out as you're doing this motion. You can repeat this for like 8 to 15 repetitions. The end position, when there is that lot of tension, if you manage, if this is like absolutely no challenge to you, you can hold it for a little while and then again just return it back. To make that exercise a little bit more difficult, you can just step a little bit further to the side, so there is going to be more tension on the band. To make it a little bit easier, you can just come a little bit closer. But again, as the time goes, you can gradually just go further and further back. Another way how to progress it is also when you push the band away from your body while keeping your ribs nice and down, you can just breathe in and out and then just come back. Push it out, breathe in and out, come back. Then another variation is you can do kind of a little bit of motions up and down, circles one direction, circles other direction. The most important is your torso and your pelvis should be staying nice and straight. So common mistake what I see is oftentimes people start in extension, or as soon as the band gets into that position, they extend the lower back. And in that case, most of the tension and most of that anti-rotation force is going to be coming from their lower back rather than from the core and kind of balanced effort all around the trunk. So that would be the extension mistake. Then the other mistake is people just shrug their shoulders or really protract their shoulders, or they rotate their body. The most important would be just keep the nice strong posture and just nice and controlled movement. There shouldn't be any compensation or anything like that. Another small tip, when you have your hands over here, you should almost like, there should be a little bit of external rotation. So you are trying to almost like create this kind of torsion in your body. That's going to set the shoulders in a nice external rotation, in a nice position, rather than squeezing the shoulder blades back or up. Create a little bit of tension, and that's going to set the shoulders and the shoulder blade in the perfect position. Guys, thanks for watching. This was just a basic setup and common mistake video. In next video, I'm going to try to cover a little bit more different variations, different setups, and something how you can spice it up a little bit, how you can make the anti-rotation or Pallof-press a little bit more complete exercise. Thanks very much for watching. Talk soon.